Hello and good day, everyone. We are going to make a pineapple ice cream, and I am so excited to share this recipe with you. And let's get started now. Okay, we are going to save some of the pineapple for slicing into chunks, but the rest of this we're going to puree. And okay, we're now going to puree our pineapple. Beautiful. Okay, we have a frozen, super cold bowl. We're going to add 2 cups of whipping cream. Okay. We now have 1 can of condensed milk. We're just going to add the entire can. Okay. And we're going to mix that. Okay, we have a lot of pineapple puree. Looks maybe, almost 3 cups. I don't think I will use all of it. I think I will put in maybe 1 cup right now and just kind of fold that in and just kind of take a look at what the texture and the consistency looks like. Looks really good. And I guess if you're a pineapple lover, we could add a little more. So I bought a small pineapple. I'm using only 3/4 of the pineapple to puree, and the other quarter I'm going to leave as chunks. And to be honest with you, I think I'm just going to add the rest of that pineapple. Why not? Okay, I have about 1 cup of chopped pineapple that I'll put in there now and fold in. And this will add definitely texture to the substance of the ice cream. Nice pineapple chunks with the puree. And then what we'll do now is we'll put it in a Tupperware, freeze it 4 to 6 hours. So you don't want to take it out too soon, as much as you'd like to. And we'll be back later. Okay, success. Here is our Tupperware filled with the pineapple ice cream mixture. And now we'll put a lid on that and we'll freeze it for 4 to 6 hours. I think we'll add a little sprinkles for some color. Why not? I think that looks pretty good. All right, let's try this scoop now, huh? All right, there is our beautiful pineapple ice cream. I think you're going to absolutely love this recipe. Please leave any comments once you've made it and tried it. And I wish you all the best. God bless. See you next video. Thank you.